thousands of people who don't know this person. After 2017, he was most famous person on online platform. He is most famous YouTuber, Mr. Beast, who spent $1,000 million in the blink of an eye. Today, we're talking about this person. Mr. Beast, his real name is Jimmy Donaldson. He was born on May 7, 1998, in Greenville, North Carolina, is a name synonymous with generosity, creativity, and boundless ambition in the digital age. From humble beginnings as a gaming enthusiast, uploading videos from his own bedroom, to becoming one of YouTube's most influential figures. Mr. Beast's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Growing up in Greenville, Mr. Beast displayed an entrepreneurial spirit from a young age. Fascinated by the burgeoning world of online video content, he began experimenting with various platforms, eventually finding his niche on YouTube. With determination and a thirst for innovation, he embarked on a journey that would change not only his life, but also the lives of countless others. Mr. Beast's ascent to YouTube stardom was meteoric. His early content primarily focused on gaming, captivating audiences with his energetic personality and unique approach to commentary. However, it was his transition to viral challenges and attention-grabbing stunts that truly set him apart. Whether it was counting to 100,000, giving away thousands of dollars, or planting millions of trees, Mr. Beast's content consistently pushed the boundaries of what was possible on the platform. Beyond his entertainment value, Mr. Beast's legacy lies in his unwavering commitment to philanthropy. With a heart as big as his imagination, he has used his platform to make a tangible difference in the world. From donating to food banks and homeless shelters to launching ambitious environmental initiatives, Mr. Beast's altruism knows no bounds. His dedication to giving back has inspired millions of fans to join him in his mission to leave the world a better place than he found it. As a pioneer of the digital age, Mr. Beast continues to innovate and inspire. His ability to capture the zeitgeist and harness the power of social media for positive change has earned him widespread acclaim and admiration. With each new video, he pushes the boundaries of creativity and generosity, setting the standard for content creators worldwide. As Mr. Beast's influence continues to grow, his impact on the world shows no signs of slowing down. Through his boundless creativity, unwavering generosity, and relentless pursuit of innovation, he has not only built a successful career, but also a lasting legacy that will inspire generations to come. In a world where fame and fortune often come at the expense of integrity and compassion, Mr. Beast stands as a beacon of hope and inspiration. His story is a testament to the power of kindness, creativity, and the limitless potential of the human spirit. As he continues to make his mark on the world, one act of generosity at a time, Mr. Beast reminds us all that we have the power to make a difference no matter how big or small.